Hello everyone, welcome to Gogetmyguru. In this video, you will learn about Flask templates, Flask tutorial for beginners. So let's start writing Python Flask script for Flask templates. In the beginning of the script, first we have to import Flask, right? So we'll write from Flask import Flask. Next what we have to write, app is equal to Flask underscore name. Here we'll write if underscore name is equal to main app dot run. Debug is equal to true. So now we'll create a function name index and then return. Instead of writing here string, I'll take HTML tag which contains welcome to home page. Here we'll write at app.route/. After running this code, what we'll get message welcome to home page. How we will get welcome to home page message? When you run the script, the slash URL will get mapped with the index function, which is also called as v function. So it will return the message which is associated with the h1 tag. So now we'll run the script by giving command python-m flask run. Click on follow link. So in browser it is displaying welcome to home page. Suppose if you want to display link for home page, login page and dashboard page in home page, when you click on login link, it should go to login page, should display the message welcome to login page. Or when you click on dashboard link, should go to dashboard page to get the details of amount transaction. So how you will do now? So first we'll create HTML files for all functions. Instead of writing HTML code here, so we'll create a folder with name templates. Then we'll create HTML files in templates folder. So here we have got templates folder. Inside this, create HTML files. So click on new file. Create a file with name index.html. What you will write here, when you run the Python Flask script, should display the links for home page, login page and also dashboard page. Let's start writing HTML code. HTML. So in title, I'll write home page. Then we'll take header tag. In header tag, we'll create a class called header-section. Then we'll take UL tag. In UL tag, we'll write type is equal to none. To make links for home page, login page and dashboard page, we'll take list tag. In list tag, we'll take ankle tag. In ankle tag, write URL underscore var index, which is the view function home. Copy this and just change login. Here also login and here dashboard. Here also dashboard. Next, if you want to create CSS for this HTML file, then again create a folder with name static. In static folder, create a CSS file. Name it custom.css. So here start writing ul, list, display inline. Inside this border, solid, color, coral and 5px, padding 2px. Then background color aqua. For text color, we'll select white. CSS file is ready. To link this CSS file to HTML, we'll use link tag. So here you want to write the path of custom.css file. URL underscore var static because it is in static folder, file name is equal to custom.css. Type is equal to text/css. So next we'll create one more HTML file with name login.html. In title we'll write login. So in body tag we'll take h1 tag and we'll write welcome to login page. So here two HTML files are created. One is index.html and second one is login.html. Now we have to create third HTML file, that is dashboard.html. So again we'll go to templates folder and create a file with name dashboard.html. So in title tag we'll write welcome to dashboard page. In body tag also we'll take h2 tag and we'll write welcome to dashboard page. So now you want to link these HTML pages to Python Flask script. How we can do? The advantage of Flask is it allows us to return response from HTML template by using function called render_function. So what we'll do now, we'll render all the HTML files to associated v functions and we'll delete this HTML tag and we'll write render underscore template. So in render underscore template, we'll write index.html to render index.html file. Here we need to import render underscore template function. So for home page, we'll write one more function, def home. In home page, we'll render index.html. And here we'll write route function decorator at app.route/home. And for login page, we'll create one more function with name login, and here we'll return the login HTML template. Login HTML by using function called render underscore template login.html. For login function, we'll write route function decorator at app.route/login. Even for dashboard page, we'll take function with name dashboard. So in dashboard page, we'll take list John :1000 and Smith :-500, Mary 1500. So now we'll write route function decorator for the dashboard function at app.route/dashboard. So now in return write render underscore template. It should render the dashboard.html. So here we'll write dashboard is equal to list. Still the code in dashboard.html is incomplete, right? Because you want to display these list values when you click on dashboard link. So to display the list in table, we'll take table tag. In table tag, we'll take style is equal to border. To write for loop in HTML, inside this we'll write for key comma value in dashboard dot height. So we'll take tr tag. In tr tag, we'll take th tag. In th tag, we'll write key value, and in td tag, we'll write value. So here John, Smith, Mary, these are the keys. 1000 minus 500, 1500, these are the values. In place of key, John, Smith, Mary will be stored, and in place of value 1000 minus 500, 1500 will be stored. And to close this for loop, we'll write %end for. Again %. So now we'll see the code from beginning. First we imported a Flask, then we created a functions for each page, like home function for home page, login function for login page, and dashboard function for dashboard page. Then in home page, we rendered index.html page. In index.html page, created a link for home page, login page, and also dashboard page. In login function, we rendered a login.html page. In login page, we just displayed a message, welcome to login page. In dashboard function, we included a list. Here, John, Smith, Mary are the key values. 1000 minus 500, 1500, these are the amount value. In dashboard function, rendered a dashboard.html page. So we'll run this script by writing command python -m flask run. Click on follow link. See here for home page, login page, and dashboard page, the link is created. When you click on this home link, it will be same, because in home page we rendered a index.html page. Click on login link. Here it is displaying welcome to login page. In the same way, if you click on dashboard link, it is displaying welcome to dashboard page along with key and values of the list in border. I hope you are finding this video is useful. If so, kindly click on subscribe button and help us to grow. Click the bell icon to receive regular updates.